Hi there, I am Ramon. I'm here at Water and Wellness, and we're inviting you to take our next workshop on how to unite your localized mind of your individualized mind of your body, along with the non-local mind of the entire universe. It is very important to know how to make that connection, because just wishing for something does not make the connection. There's very specific ways to open up your localized mind and to make contact with the non-local mind. Always remember, consciousness does not have particles. Only matter has particles, which is condensed light. Because even particles are just pure light. So when you want to unite with the mind of the super consciousness of the universe, there's very specific ways to manifest whatever it is that you want to bring in, or to get rid of something also. So come on in. It's this Sunday, June 24, 10 a.m. till 12 noon. It's $50, 2 hours training workshop, and learn how to unite with the universe and quit being individualized and become one with everything. Peace to your mind, peace to your soul, peace to your body.